Hi everyone. Today I'm going to take a basic potato salad and spice it up a little bit. Today I'll be making pickled egg potato salad. What all goes into the pickled egg potato salad? Now I have a full recipe here that I'll leave in the description box below, but as I started to gather this stuff to make the video, I realized I didn't have enough potatoes. So I'm going to have to adjust everything because I don't have enough potatoes. I will tell you as I'm making it how much of everything I'm using. I'll be using 2 pounds of potatoes, cooked, peeled, and cubed. When I went to South Dakota, they had a small Amish community. I went and bought donuts, and then I saw these pickled eggs. So I will be using 4 pickled eggs. Again, the full recipe will be down in the description box below. I'll be using 1 bunch of green onions sliced. Now for the dressing, I'm going to stick with the full amounts, and then I'm going to just put as much as I need on the potatoes, just so you realize that these are the full amounts. That's going to be in the description below. 1/2 cup Miracle Whip or mayo. I have mayo. I didn't have enough Miracle Whip. 1/2 cup evaporated milk or whole milk. I didn't have evaporated milk. 2 to 3 tablespoons prepared mustard. 1/4 cup sugar. 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 3 sweet pickles sliced, and 1/2 to 1 tablespoon pickle juice. So let's begin. So after the potatoes cooked until fork tender, I peeled them and then cut them into chunks and then put them into a bowl. Take your 1 bunch of sliced green onions and put them with the potatoes. If you like a lot of onions, you can add more. If you don't like onions that well, add less. And then add your 3 sliced sweet pickles. Put them with the potatoes and the green onions and set it aside. Take a small bowl, dump in your 1/2 cup of Miracle Whip or mayonnaise, your 1/2 cup of evaporated milk or whole milk, your 3 tablespoons of vinegar, your 2 to 3 tablespoons of prepared mustard. I have 3 tablespoons. If it tastes too much like mustard, we can always add a little bit more mayonnaise. The 1/2 to 1 tablespoon pickle juice. I have the 1 tablespoon. And we have 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And mix that until thoroughly combined. Before you put it on your potatoes, give it a taste test and see if you need to adjust any of the seasoning. See if you need to add more sugar. See if you need to add more mayonnaise, more salt, more pepper. This is actually the potato salad recipe is my mom's potato salad recipe. So the only thing different is the pickled eggs. And again, maybe with the pickled eggs, maybe you don't want as much vinegar, maybe you don't want as much pickle juice. I don't know. I've never made this with pickled eggs before. But I definitely think if I like this, that I am going to try the beet pickled eggs in potato salad next. So take your potatoes, eggs, and pickles, and onions, and all that good stuff, and add your dressing to it. Dave's not going to be home until tomorrow night. I'll give it plenty of time to chill in the refrigerator and have the flavors marry. It's always better for potato salad the next day. So that's why I made it today. And it is a little bit runnier than normal. I forgot about that because I made the full amount of the dressing and only about 3/4 of the rest of the stuff. But it may absorb a little bit. I don't know. Okay, I am going to take a bite and see if having the pickled eggs makes a difference or whether it just tastes like potato salad. I've got eggs, I've got eggs, I've got potatoes, I've got the onions and the pickles. So let's see. And actually, I'll just take potato and an egg because I don't want to eat it all. But actually, I can taste the difference in the egg. It gives it a little bit different flavor, but it's actually good. I think that's a thumbs up. I'll put a lid on it. Stick it in the refrigerator, and when Dave comes home tomorrow, he can do a taste test. See you then. So here is the pickled egg potato salad. Rounding out the meal is slow cooker spare ribs. Let's see what Dave thinks. The potato salad.
Kind of recognize, okay, I was going to say I recognize this, but I'm thinking this is trick potato salad.
Could be. Didn't know there was a trick potato salad, but...
Well, I didn't either, but I recognize one and think I recognize the other, but something's got to be different. Well, I think the only thing different is the sweet potatoes. I mean, sweet pickles, sweet potatoes. I don't know where that came from.
No sweet potatoes in there, sorry.
Yeah.
No, I've put sweet potatoes. I've put sweet pickles in the potato salad before.
Okay.
What's in there is trick eggs.
Trick eggs, okay.
Yeah. Remember those pickled eggs I bought from the Amish community in Hot Springs?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I put in there is pickled eggs.
Okay, well, it tastes good, so I guess Amish trick eggs in potato salad is an okay thing. I like it.
3 sweet potatoes. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.